This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a dryer that takes a long time to dry and sometimes just won't dry the clothes at all. And in this case it was due to the exterior vent being clogged or blocked. This one has a flapper and a screen, and the screen here was totally clogged with lint, so basically no moisture could escape. So I'm just taking a standard head screwdriver, penetrating through the screen, and I'm going to cut it out with some diagonal pliers. The object here is just to get rid of the screen, as it's somewhat redundant. You're just trying to keep critters from getting into your dryer vent. Sometimes like birds will want to set up a nest inside there, or rodents will crawl in. So you do need something there. The flapper is enough. You don't really need these screens. These screens are notorious for just clogging and getting full of lint. So I'm just cutting this out gradually with the diagonal pliers and pulling out the screen and the lint. And then when we turn the dryer back on, what we noticed is that it dried very quickly and very well, and all of its weird symptoms had disappeared. So over time the lint had just built up inside the tube and on the screen and was not allowing any heat and also not allowing any moisture to leave the dryer. So now we've got all that lint out and the dryer was back to working perfectly again. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Share our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. And also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. To contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions.